Dick and I have a beginning West Coast swing class, and we worked on the whip today. So I want to break that down for you. Let me show it to you first. This is a regular whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's what it looks like. I'll do it from this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dick, you want to show your footwork first?
Okay, leaders from this direction. I start my whip with a left to right hand hold, first of all. I need to step back, get the lady coming forward. We talked about doing a J lead. I'm going to encourage the ladies to come in and around and connect with me. So the way I do it, I'll do it from a couple different positions. But as I step back, I go in toward the middle of the slot. And then as I step forward, I round it up. I've just made the shape of a capital J. I pick her up. That's on count 2. She's not past me yet. I go 3 and ankles together, and I send my arm out. 4, I bring her towards me, step across the slot on 4. From there, take her with me, 4, 5. I release her on count 6 as I send her away, and I go 7 and 8 in place without stopping. 1, pick up 2. I go 3 and block on 4, pivot 5, pivot, send out 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, and I'll show the followers their footwork. What he does is he has my right hand. He's going to give me this little lead. He's going to go 1 in a little bit. I'm going to hook around on 2. Then I'm going to take my right foot back, 3 and 4. Then I'm going to step to the side. I'm going to step back, and I'm going to do a triple step. I'll do it this way. He gives me a lead 1, 2, and I make sure I'm even with him here. I do back together, forward, side, back, triple step. So we'll show
So
you.
with a partner, I'll do it from 2 different directions. I'm going to go
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's a 360 move. We're going to do it this way.
from this direction. I get out of the way slightly, lead the J
1,
lead.
2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that was a beginning 8-count whip, basic whip. Thank you.